Xavier, what are you doing? That bone is way too big for you. Gizmo. What are you doing, silly boy? You gonna lick the phone? You didn't lick the phone? Hi, Nene. Hi, Nene. You're a pretty girl. Yeah, you are a very pretty girl. Nay. Oh, you're my pretty girl. There goes Xavier. Hi, Lana. You gonna eat out of the big duck bowl?
You gonna get him ready?
Yes, babe.
So does that have night vision on it, so that way you can use it to do like, like those stuff?
Mhm.
Does it? So you already have all your equipment for your ghost hunting?
No, I don't.
What do you need?
A lot.
Like what?